Welcome to Wisdom Flix, MRI, Magnetic Resonance Imaging. Let's move on. Father of MRI. Raymond Vaughan Damadian, born March 16, 1936, is an American physician, medical practitioner, and inventor of the first MRI scanning machine. Dr. Raymond Damadian was 10 years old when he watched his grandmother die of breast cancer, but he turned the negative into a positive like few others. It was then that he made detecting cancer his life's work, founded Millville-based Fona Corporation, and invented the magnetic resonance imaging MRI scanner in the 1970s. Damadian, now 81, improved upon his invention when he introduced the stand-up MRI machine. Without Damadian's discovery, it could not be known that the serious diseases like cancer could be detected by an NMR, that is nuclear magnetic resonance, that the prior term used for the MRI scanner. But Damadian didn't always study medicine. He originally studied math and science as a violin student at Juilliard School of Music when he was 15. After graduating with a degree in mathematics, he went to the Albert Einstein College of Medicine where he received his medical degree. Then in 1971, Damadian invented the MRI as a professor at the SUNY Downstate Medical Center. He was using NMR technologies to study halophiles, a form of bacteria, and potassium ions in cells. Magnetic resonance imaging. Magnetic resonance imaging is a medical imaging technique used in radiology to form pictures of the anatomy and the physiological processes of the body. MRI was originally called NMRI, that is nuclear magnetic resonance imaging, but nuclear was dropped to avoid negative associations. MRI scanners use strong magnetic fields, magnetic field gradients, and radio waves to generate images of the organs in the body. Working principle of MRI. MRIs employ powerful magnets which produce a strong magnetic field that forces protons in the body to align with the field. When a radio frequency current is then pulsed through the patient, the protons are stimulated and spin out of equilibrium, straining against the pull of the magnetic field. An MRI may still be seen as a better choice than a CT scan. MRI is widely used in hospitals and clinics for medical diagnosis and staging and follow-up of disease without exposing the body to radiation. How MRI is performed. A magnetic resonance imaging scan is a painless procedure that lasts 15 to 90 minutes depending on the size of the area being scanned and the number of images being taken during the scan. An MRI scanner is a short cylinder that opens at both ends. You will lie on a motorized bed that's moved inside the scanner. You will enter the scanner either head first or feet first, depending on the part of your body being scanned. In some cases, a frame may be placed over the body part being scanned, such as the head or chest. This frame contains receivers that pick up the signals sent out by your body during the scan, and it can help to create a better quality image. A computer is used to operate the MRI scanner, which is located in a different room to keep it away from the magnetic field generated by the scanner. The radiographer operates the computer so that they'll also be in a separate room to you, but you'll be able to talk to them, usually through an intercom, and they'll be able to see you at all times on a television monitor. A single scan may take from a few seconds to 3 or 4 minutes. You may ask to hold your breath during short scans. Depending on the size of the area being scanned and how many images are taken, the whole procedure will take 15 to 90 minutes. The MRI scanner will make loud tapping noises at certain times during the procedure. This is the electric current in the scanner coils being turned on and off. You will be moved out of the scanner when the scan is over. After the scan. After the scan, you can resume normal activities immediately. Your MRI scan needs to be studied by the radiologist, a doctor trained in interpreting scans and x-rays, and possibly discuss with other specialists. The radiologist will send a report to the doctor who arranged the scan, who will discuss the results with you. It usually takes a week or two for the results of an MRI scan to come through unless they are needed urgently. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.